Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. I got a couple of aunties. My daddy's last two. Actually, I got 4 aunties left in this world, y'all. 2 on my mama's side, 2 on my dad's side. I have no grandfather, no grandmothers, no uncles, nothing left in this world. So I have 4 aunties left. And my aunties on my dad's side, my aunt Ori and Aunt Millie, they love my muffins, y'all. Any kind of muffins I make, whether they banana nut or what I do last time, blackberry, blueberry, they absolutely love them. So that's why I said, I'm going to make some muffins. I said, well, I might well do a video for it. And also, they love my banana bread, which I'm going to do too. I might do a video for the banana bread, even though y'all seen it before. But they love them. So today, I'm making some orange cranberry. This is one of my favorite muffins. They might be 2 or 3 missing by the time they get them. I try to split them up between the 2. But yeah, I'm going to make some orange cranberry or cranberry orange muffin, how you want to say it. Like all my muffin recipes, y'all, it's so simple, so easy. You don't need no mixer for this. You can do all this by hand. Let me tell y'all what I got here. I got some orange zest here that I microplane. You don't want a microplane here? Where's my microplane? Let me show y'all. Y'all get you one of these things. This is a chef's friend in the kitchen. You can grate cheese with this. You know, when they go to Olive Garden, you ever been to Olive Garden, they grate that cheese. It's just a microplane. Really, I mean, it'll cut you, but it ain't like a grater or nothing like that. And I just zest my lemon right with the lemon. With lemons too, you can do. My, what's what it's called? Microplane. Get you one of these. It costs about $3 or so. So, yeah, it's a chef's dream, a chef's necessity in the kitchen. So I got some fresh grated orange zest, which is very important. I'm going to show y'all how to get the oils out of here with the sugar, which is going to take the orange flavor to the next level. A couple of eggs, orange juice that I squeezed from the leftover oranges. Fresh orange juice is nothing like fresh squeezed orange juice, y'all. Then that stuff that's been sitting in the store all, you don't know how long before it get to you or whatever. It's nothing like fresh orange juice. So use fresh as possible. Of course, if you use the fresh orange zest, of course, you got the fresh orange juice. You squeeze the juice from the orange. There you go. Now, I got cranberry. I'm using dry cranberry. This time of year, it's hard to find fresh. Dry is actually better for me because it works better in the dough, in the batter. But like I say, if you can't find fresh, depending on when you do the recipe, you get some dry ones. Granulated sugar, baking powder, olive, vegetable oil. You can use any kind of oil, but don't use a strong oil like grapefruit or something like that. Use like a light olive oil if you don't have vegetable oil, or peanut oil will work as well. All-purpose flour, a little whole milk, and vanilla. That's it. First thing I want to do, y'all, I'm going to put my baking powder into the flour here. Put that there so people won't say, oh, I didn't see him put the baking powder. Just put it in the flour, just like that. I got the salt in this flour too. I already added my salt in the flour. We're going to put that to the side. And get this over here out of the way. It's so simple. It's so simple. So simple to put together, y'all. First thing I want to do, I want to bring this orange zest to life. So what I'm doing, I'm going to put the sugar in here. I'm going to take my orange zest here. I'm going to add it to my sugar. And we're going to do some magic here, y'all. This is what you want to get the oils, wake the oils up out of the oranges. So all you're going to do is take your hand, make sure your hands is clean. I washed my hands, I think a couple of days ago I washed my hands, so I'm still good. So anyway, let's get this. Some people ain't going to get that joke. So you want to rub it just like this, the orange into the sugar. Until it kind of feel like wet sand. That's what you're going to do. See that? That's going to open the oils up. It's going to give this muffins an outstanding flavor. See that? How it changes the course of the sugar. See that? That's what you want to, that's the key right there. That's the key. One of the keys right there, y'all. See that? Let me show y'all up close here. It's out the way. That's what you want. Now, all we're going to do, we're going to add our wet ingredients. Let me get a fork here. We're gonna add our wet ingredients to this orange sugar mixture. And should kind of mix it up here before I put it in there. Throw that in there. And this is a beautiful option for a breakfast muffin, y'all. For a breakfast muffin, this is perfect. Perfect idea. Got all that in there, y'all. We're gonna mix all this together. Mix that all up. The reason I'm adding to the sugar, because we're gonna dissolve the sugar into the liquid. See that? All that up. Oh my God, I wish y'all could smell this, y'all. Wish y'all could smell this. Smells amazing. Okay, remember that flour and baking soda mixture? We're gonna add that right to that. Scrape all that out of there. And we're gonna gently, as possible, kind of mix this together, y'all. You don't want to over mix it. Just enough till you don't see the flour anymore. And I like to use my rubber spatula here. That way I don't over mix it. You don't want to over mix it and have a what they say. Let me give it one mix with my whisk, and that'll do it. There we go. There we go, y'all. Now, all we're gonna do now, we're gonna fold in our cranberries here. Like I say, you can, if it's fresh, it's in season. You know, usually fresh cranberries is around the holiday season. You'll see them in the fruit and vegetable department or produce department. And that's it. How easy was that, y'all? How easy was that, huh? Okay. Let me get in y'all way for a second. Let me reach over here and get my scoop here. We're gonna see if we can get 12 here, even 12 here, y'all. Right there. See if we can get 12 muffins in here. I'm messing it up. What y'all think? Think I get 12 out of here? I think I get 12 scoops. You y'all have faith in me? That's why I'm using my scoop. It should come out of 12 here. Because this scoop is designed for these muffins. Let's see here, y'all. What we gonna get here? Oh man. Gonna have some batter left over, look like. Look like I got some batter left over, y'all. That's what we gonna do here. We ain't gonna have nothing left over. And my buddy Daddy Jack would say, waste not, want not. Oh yeah, a little bit more there. Man, if y'all could smell, we need smell-o-vision, y'all. We need some smell-o-vision. Okay, got that in there. Now, all we're gonna do here, we're gonna put a little turbinado sugar. Y'all know I like some little turbinado sugar here. We're gonna put on top of here, give it a little sugary glaze or sugary topping. You can use sanding sugar, whatever you want to do. All right, we're gonna put this in the oven 375 degrees about 20 minutes, y'all. It should take on this. We'll be back. We're gonna have us some absolutely amazing orange cranberry muffins or cranberry orange muffins, however you want to say it. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. The muffins are out of the oven. Took exactly 20 minutes, y'all, on this. Really 18 minutes and a half. If you want to be specific, took 18 and a half minutes. So, yeah, so I'm going to kind of let these cool just a little. Let them kind of cool here just a little. I'm going to do that world famous YouTube thumbnail. And like I said, I got them almost perfect even. Y'all know sometimes when I do muffins, you got two big ones, small ones. I got pretty good on this. I'm getting good at this, y'all. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna let them cool. I got a sample one, and then the rest, like I say, going to my aunties today. So they're gonna get fresh baked muffins, and I got a banana bread. I'll maybe do a recipe of that video for that too. I got a banana bread that I'm gonna take to them as well. It's so simple and easy to make this, and it's just the enjoyment of them. One thing about them, let me say this, and then I'll be right back. When I give people, like I said, I give neighbors and friends and stuff food all the time. And my mom and my Aunt Rosie was very specific at this, and this is what I ask people when I give them food. My mom and Aunt Rosie, they knew this already. Which my mom, when I say Aunt Rosie, that's my mom's sister. They would give me feedback. If it's not good, if I need to do this or this, let me know. That's all I need to know. It helps me. And I give people, I can accept constructive criticism. And my mom used to say, baby, you need to add this, or baby. My mom would tell him, I ain't Rosie too, well, baby, you need to go a little bit easy on the salt. And my mom say, well, be better than this or this. And like her dumpling, she want more dumplings than meat. When she do beans or something, she want more. That's the way I love that. And my aunties, they the same way. My Aunt Millie, she would call me, she would text me, and I'll text her, she'll call me, oh, thank you for the pick. Because most times my Aunt or Lee, she'll take it to my Aunt Millie, she'll take it to her or whatever. And I'll have to go to two houses. And she would call me, and of course my Aunt Or, she'll tell you quick, oh, this, and I wouldn't change this, and there's constructive criticism, but not hating. You know you got people out there just hating, don't want you to be successful. And that helps me even better as a chef, even in my adult. I'm still learning, y'all. Even with y'all, when y'all say, Chef Jeffrey, can you add this too? Can you do? That's it. You got people on here. I got a few people, which I'll do another video, just, hey, oh, that, you shouldn't be telling people that. Oh, that's disgusting. It's the way you come at people. I take criticism. I learn a lot from y'all and where I should adjust, or I can add this to it. I learn a lot from y'all, but you got some people on there just hate you out of jealousy and envy. And like I said, when I give stuff to food, I got other friends that I give food to and stuff like that. They'll let me know, oh, this was good, or this is this and this. I love that. I need to hear that. Even at 57, if I'm about to be 57 years old, I need to hear that. I'm still growing. So anyway, enough preaching. I'll be right back. Do my old school, world famous YouTube thumbnail. And we'll be right back to sample these. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. We are back here. All right, y'all. Let's break into one of these while I got one sitting right here on top, y'all. Look at that one. Right there, waiting on me. Just waiting on me. Let's see if I can peel this plastic. Not plastic, but paper off of here. Sometimes it's so hot. Oh, man. I'm doing good today, y'all. Look at that. Chef Jeffrey doing good. He got the right measurements. It's going to be a good week, right? Look at that. Okay, let's break this bad boy open. I'm not going to use no butter for this, y'all. I'm just going to break that open there. Look at that, y'all. Ooh. You got the cranberries in there. You see an orange in there. The orange zest. Cranberries in there. Oh, yeah. All right, y'all. I got a fly in my kitchen this winter time. I thought flies die in the winter time. Go in here. Y'all. The orange just comes through. Cranberries are so good. And they're nice and fluffy and moist. See how moist that is? And a little sugar on top. You can see the sugar on top takes it to the next level. You know, turbinado sugar. And I call this like a breakfast muffin. You got it. See the orange zest in there? It really comes alive. So, anyway, I'm gonna let these sit here and cool. I put it in a Ziploc. Let me tell you another thing, and we're gonna close the video. I put it in a Ziploc bag. I used to put it in my food paper, you know, kind of my crowd back or however you say it. Well, my Aunt Ollie, make it as easy as possible for her to get in. Because soon as I hand it to her, just like my mom did when I gave her those tea cakes, have it where they can open the bag very easily. There's no way I can give my mom some cheesecakes in a food saver bag seal. Takes too long to open. Have it where you can open the bag up and ready to go. So that's how I'm gonna deliver these to my auntie so she can already start eating them. I'll give a video if I can, y'all, add it to this. So anyway, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow me on social media channels. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch, TV, Pinterest, TikTok, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2025? It's great to be alive, but it's even better to be living. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.